Hi, it's Tracy from the Williston and Harbor Landing, and guess who I'm with?
Norma.
Marilyn.
And they are my crew. We have so much fun getting together once a week to talk everything Williston.
Right.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Look forward every week.
We sure do.
Oh boy, it's fun with Tracy.
We have a lot of fun, absolutely.
Actually.
And so today we're doing a couple of really cool things because I know that there are a lot of people who have a lot of interest in the floor plans in Williston. What kind of bedrooms, how many bathrooms, you know. So ladies, you've had some time to take a look at the floor plans. Now, I'm sure you both have different favorites, but Marilyn, what is your favorite layout?
Mine is the Cabernet. It's the 2-bedroom, the 2-bathroom.
Oh, show that to me. Which one's that?
It's this one here. It's
Hold that up.
1068 square feet. It's got a big covered balcony, a huge covered balcony, and it has a walk-in closet, a king-size bedroom, and another bedroom.
And you know, the king-size bedroom is amazing because, you know, even if you don't have a king-size bed, it just gives you that much more room to walk around the bed.
Right.
And the interesting thing about the Cabernet is that it's almost like it has 2 master bathrooms or master bedrooms. I'm sure as we tend to get older, I feel like our spouses tend to snore louder than they used to.
Exactly. So you can always have that extra bedroom to escape to. Right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a really nice layout.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
1068
What do you
square
love
feet.
about it?
Well, the Cabernet is my favorite also. You've mentioned just about all the things that
I think we're
that,
missing something really important that we haven't even touched on yet.
gosh.
That amazing L shape.
Oh, balcony, the covered balcony outside.
Right.
It's the L-shaped balcony.
320
Yes.
square feet of
Yes.
balcony. Your own walk-in laundry room with
Yes.
full-size washer and dryer, a dishwasher, microwave, stainless steel appliances,
Right.
quartz countertops,
Wow.
9-foot ceilings.
And it's all new.
It's all new.
Yeah.
And I heard a rumor that as people come in, they can even pick their color palette.
Oh, how nice.
So we're gonna talk about that on a different video.
Okay.
But right now, the Cabernet definitely for 2 people or for a single woman or man
Yeah.
is definitely a great option. You know, we can always use that room as a guest suite
Yes.
as well.
Yeah.
Now, I'd like to take this opportunity to talk a little bit more about the other layouts that we have.
Yes.
With all the names, Norma, of all of the layouts, what's the common theme that runs through our naming process at the
Oh.
Williston in Harbor Landing?
Probably wine.
Probably wine. We like wine. Do you think that's
Sure.
a coincidence?
I don't know.
I think not. I think not. What's your favorite wine?
I like a lot of different red wines. I do like some Malbecs. I like Shiraz.
Malbecs and Shirazes. We happen to have a couple of those
Yes.
floor plans.
Yes.
Another 2-bedroom.
There's another 2-bedroom,
Yeah.
the Shiraz.
Yep.
And the only difference, other than the balcony that from the Cabernet, is that this one actually has a linen closet that I didn't notice in the Cabernet.
Yeah.
You know, it's a little smaller, but it looks like it would be house 2 people really well also.
I agree. And it's a very popular suite. We've had a lot of people come and put their application in to hold that suite. So did you know you can do that right now?
Yes, I did. I'd heard
didn't.
that yes,
Yeah.
you can. You can.
Absolutely can bring in your application and choose where you want to live
Yes.
within the Williston. And we will hold it until our show suite opens, and you can make your final decision
Wow.
then.
Great idea.
It is.
Yeah, so they're going faster than I expected, but yeah, I'm
That's what I hear.
super excited.
Yeah, it's going fast.
If I wanted a 1-bedroom, what do you think? In the apartment side, right? Because this apartment side
there
comes
are.
with a
You're
lot
right.
of great perks as well.
Well, there's a Pinot.
Right, but I like the Merlot because it also has a study. And with the study, you could put a futon, or you could have perhaps have a sofa bed or something of that sort.
Sure.
There was something else that I liked about that one too. Oh, again, the covered balcony. and a full-size laundry again. You know, the Pinot was
You've got the, what is that,
the Merlot.
That's your dining area.
Yeah.
that's your dining
Yeah.
area, you got
Yeah.
your living room, your bedroom.
Yeah.
Yep.
The only difference with the Pinot Noir,
Now I have to tell you, the Pinot is my favorite.
is it your favorite?
With the walk-in
Is it
closet.
So absolutely, for
Yeah.
a single girl
Yeah.
or guy, king size bedroom with
Yeah.
a walk-in closet,
closet.
direct access to your
Yeah.
one bath.
Yes.
As a
Yeah.
single person, you can choose to have 2 baths, but if if one bath is your jazz,
Yeah.
I really like that one, and it has a nice storage room.
It does.
Yes.
Yeah, it does. And it also has that covered balcony, like we said.
Yes.
So you
And
come in, yeah.
All
it's
of
great.
our floor plans are really nice when it comes to open concept.
Oh, it was hard, you know, to pick a favorite.
Yeah,
Like, you know, a
they're all
favorite in
really
the
good,
2
yeah.
bedrooms, a favorite in the 1 bedroom,
Yeah.
because they all had something.
Yeah, and then
know.
we have our Malbec, which is
Yes.
really nice too. And it works fantastically. Yeah, I really like how the living room's off to the corner,
Yes.
and then your kitchen is kind of kitty corner, so you can be preparing food in the kitchen and entertaining in the living room with your guests, but still staying open and
Right. You're not
And-
shut off from your company or from your
that's right.
friends. Yeah.
Welcome to open concept.
And also
Yeah,
from
it
your
is good. Yeah.
from your kitchen, you have access to your balcony right there if you're barbecuing. It goes
Oh,
right
that's
out.
nice.
You know, I thought
Yeah.
that was kind of nice, and it has a nice big walk-in closet too. You know, which I thought was good. Yeah, I like I say, they all look like
they're all
really
really
nice floor plans. Yeah.
They are fantastic. So that really covers off the apartment side
Right.
of the Williston and Harbor Landing. And we have 5 different layouts to choose from in the apartment side. But we also have a couple of other things we need to talk about. We have kind of in the center of the building, we have all the amenities.
Right.
And the other wing is our all-inclusive.
Yes.
And I'm really excited about the all-inclusive because it opens in probably early to mid-spring
Okay.
of 2019. And you get all of those 5 layouts, plus we have 2 other 1-bedroom options
Right.
as well, called the,
Zinfandel.
and the Zinfandel.
And Savion.
When we talk all-inclusive, that really tells us that our all-inclusive is going to include, you know, transportation,
Right.
activities,
Okay.
and 2 meals a day that
Right.
you don't have to cook. But because the Williston is all about choice, you can still choose to cook because each suite still has a full-size washer, dryer, microwave, refrigerator, and stove and dishwasher.
So
Yeah.
full kitchen for
Full
them.
kitchens,
Wow.
absolutely.
That's
It's all
great.
about choice, and that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to go down for breakfast, you don't have to. You can
I like
choose
that.
to
Yeah. Just stay in your
stay
place.
in your place. That's all inclusive in your package.
That's great.
As well as daily garbage pickup, which I thought was genius.
Oh,
because
yes.
Who
Yeah.
wants to take their own garbage out? It stinks.
Yeah.
And as well as weekly housekeeping and
Oh,
linens.
wow.
Oh, that's
wow.
great. Yeah.
Because wasn't it you that said you hated to do
Laundry? I do, yes.
Yeah, there you go. So, you know, the all-inclusive side's going to be fantastic.
It
Yes.
certainly sounds so, right.
Well, ladies, I look forward to seeing the show suites live and in person. Coming in October sometime. We'll have more information as we roll out. But for now, your ambassadors, Norma and Marilyn, thanks, ladies, for always giving me your honest opinions. I love it. And I can't wait till we can walk through the Williston.
Me
Right,
too.
me
It's gonna be
too.
great.
Thanks, Tracy.
Yeah, thanks, Tracy.